See, you know what I mean now? With the whole like holding your hair in place. You get it? I'll make sure to link these clips down below. Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be doing a very chill haul. Chill. I don't know how to be chill. This is for my big boobie girlies, or honestly, my chesticles aren't that big. I don't even think I have the right to call it that haul anymore. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will know that I mainly wear things from Lip Hop. I'm a huge fan of their clothing items. I normally get them off of YESSTYLE, or the brand sends it to me. Another disclaimer I want to put out is that even though I spent $1,000+ on all these items, I am in partnership, or not really, I kind of, every month YESSTYLE does give a code to influencers to spend on their website, so I do use those codes to purchase these items in order to do these hauls for you guys. We're all in this together and you were us. I'll be sure to link all these items on YESSTYLE down below, but because it goes out of stock pretty quickly on there, I'll try to find the links from Lip Hop's official website as well. I have undies on in front of my window. Oh my god. The thing is, I don't know if this is from Lip Hop, so I threw it in the haul, but then I wasn't sure. But whatever, I'm still gonna include it. This is a pink cardigan set with a tank. They are 2 pieces, so you can just wear the tank if you want without the cardigan, but you know me, I love my cardigans and tanks. The only thing that I'll complain about is the fact that the straps are so long, so they kind of slip off of me all the time. It has this very soft blanket texture, so I don't know how ideal it is for the summer, but if you're into pink, you have to have it. I love that the buttons are champagne color. It has this very cute rim around the buttons, so it looks a little bit more sophisticated. That is gorgeous. The sleeves, as you can tell, are a little bit baggy, so it scrunches here, and then it's baggy and loose. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite pieces. Because it's getting warmer, I decided to grab a few tanks, or just, you know, things I can wear that I won't be too hot in, but still sweat because it's black. But I need black because it makes me look more fit. Okay. I decided to pick this tank because it had a weird funk up here, but I like. It's different from your normal tank top, so this is the neckline. To be honest though, I think I'm a little wide for this tank top. I feel like it should come out more like this. But because I'm so wide, it has like this scoop right here. So maybe I'm a little heavy up here, causing this weird attraction. It is cropped, so it does come a little bit above your belly button. Mine's here. When I was wearing a crop shirt one time, my boyfriend was like, "Where's your belly button?" And I was like, "I don't have one," because I like to pull my pants above my belly button, you know what I mean? But yeah, they just have a nice little oomph. I don't know if you can tell, but the texture is ribbed, so it gives you more of an elongated look. We really appreciate that, so. Okay, so I paired that up with some sweatpants right here, if you can't tell. They're not as baggy as I want them to be, maybe because I'm a little thicker than they are, but that's a fact. These are just normal sweatpants, and then they have pockets on the side, which kind of makes my legs look a little bit too buffaroo, but I mean, I can't complain, I guess. They're not baggy, as you can tell. With that being said, I bought them in gray as well. You're a psycho. You like wearing jeans over sweatpants. Yes, they're real pockets. I did not know that. It scrunches up like that. I will admit, I don't really like the quality. It's almost like a rough countertop towel. Even though they look really thick and nice, the inside is rough, so you do feel that like dry texture against your skin, and I'm a huge person for texture. Ask anyone. I'm always rubbing the carpet with my hands, the couch, pillows, people's shirts, people's jeans. This is rough, and it makes my skin feel kind of dry, and when I feel that, I feel suffocated, so I feel like I can't breathe. I know, I'm weird, I don't know why, but one time when I was wearing these sweatpants to exercise, I was like I felt like I couldn't breathe. If you don't mind and you don't really care, you just want sweatpants, there you go. Out of 5, maybe a 2.5. These are just probably like not the best sweatpants from Lip Hop, but they have really good ones. No shame in this game. Okay, so I wanted to talk about this tube top, strapless top. It doesn't fit me, for 1. I struggle, for 2. For 3, it squeezes all my upper fat in all the wrong areas. Here's my advice from all my experiences with strapless tops like this on YESSTYLE. It doesn't matter if it's Lip Hop, just in general, any Asian clothing store. We all know because the size differs, right? You know. Normally they have these cups inside. Yeah. Not the best quality, you know what I mean? They don't hold well, they're not good quality, they're flimsy and just there. I don't think I have big boobs, but I have wide boobs. This cup is gonna sit right here and right here. Okay, it's not gonna cup my boobs whatsoever. And plus it's too tight, so it squeezes all of my armpit fat. into one big clump. I'm really sad though. I really like red on my skin tone, so this would have been super cute, but it just didn't work out to me. I'm gonna have to give this to my sister or probably sell it on my Poshmark. I'm gonna be selling a bunch of new clothing items like this and just items that I've worn like one time and now doesn't fit me, etc. etc. The next piece. This is just a normal tank or beater. That's what we used to call it back in the day. Again, it's getting hot, so I wanted to get things that I can wear freely. I do like the neckline. It comes up pretty high, so it looks a little bit more dressed up. And also, I'm obsessed with tanks that are ribbed, so it makes you look a little bit more elongated, and it just kind of makes you just go. If your body shape is like mine, you definitely want to avoid any kind of horizontal lines because it's just gonna make you stretch out. So in contrast, you want to wear things that elongate. So even a little ribbed pattern like this will do a lot. Again, it is a little bit cropped. I also got it in white. And also I forgot to mention that this is similar to a halter top, well, the cutout of it. So it's really nice to bring the attention upward so you don't look too triangular. I think it's important for us to know what kind of body shape we have so we can find clothing pieces that flatter our body types, our body shapes, and save all those moments in the closet when you're just like, oh, nothing looks good on me, why? Because you gotta love your body, know your body, understand it, listen to it. Absolutely love this color. I never thought I would love yellow like this or pastel yellow. Every time I get new clothes from the mail, I always wash it, and I happen to wash this with dark sweatpants, so you can tell it has some stains on it. Before it was a little bit more bright yellow. I have to do what I have to do. I can't fix the color anymore, so I might just have to get a new one. If I were to button it up, which kind of looks funky on me because it has this pretty floral wave lace. I love how the sleeves are super long on me. It just makes my arms look skintier than they are. This cardigan is ribbed. The back of this cardigan also has that same floral lace detailing. It's so pretty. This is literally gonna be my go-to summer cardigan. It's thin enough that you're not gonna be sweaty. Also, I'm sure some of you guys already saw me wearing this on my Instagram, so nothing's really new. This tank is actually not from Lip Hop, it's from Urban Outfitters. Let me know if you guys want to see other hauls from other brands because I do have some favorites from other places. Done. Loungewear, but not just the t-shirt, the pants too. I love sets. We all know that by now. I don't have it on because I want to show. I love pink, but my actual favorite color is actually lilac, lavender. Since I was a kid, I love this color. I absolutely love wearing matching pieces, although my boyfriend makes fun of me sometimes. So I have the exact set, but in gray. It's currently in the laundry, so I can't pull it out, but when I was wearing the gray one of this, my boyfriend said I looked like a rock. I mean, there was a funny story why he said that. That's his place to tell, not mine. I have a gray one that I went fishing with. So the t-shirt does split on the side like that, which is great because I feel like you can tuck in the front piece like that, and you can poof it out a little to give you shape. You can still leave that long piece out. Also, I love how long the sleeves are. It just hides all of the cupcakes right here. You guys know me, I love hiding my cookies and cupcakes right here. You got your casual pockets. I need to get down. The joggers scrunch up at the end, like that. The other one makes me look a little bit more badass, and this one makes me look all soft, right? No. This is another set. I'm wearing the pants right here. Can't tell. You're gonna love this because it has this cinching band. So originally it looks like this. I just like to take it and tie it up so it's a little bit more flattering. This does zip all the way up here if you want to, but my makeup, so no. Look how pretty this color combo is, especially on the white. Listen, Linda. I will have to say my favorite thing about the set are the pants. As you guys can tell, it has these two lines going down from midsection. What didn't I say about wearing things that make you look elongated? I will say the pants do look a little tight on me. That's because I have meat. And then it just casually scrunches up at my ankles. I'm lazy, so wearing a set makes me look like I'm put together when I'm really not. The next piece is just a normal long cropped ribbed tee. It is cropped at the waist. At first I wasn't really sure if I was gonna like the neckline because I'm not too big of a fan with deeper scoops. It does low-key look like pajamas though, but it is a shirt and you can wear it out, so don't be scared. I'm definitely seeing a pattern going on. I pick out clothes that are ribbed without even thinking about it because like here goes another one. I do like how simple this is. You can totally spice it up by just like unbuttoning it a little bit like this if it's too tight, you know. Really cute, very simple. I liked it so much that I got it in black as well. This will be really nice for just a casual wear or if you're just like chilling. There's nothing too special about these shirts, but they just flatter you. And it's super stretchy. I went ahead and picked up a hoodie from Lip Hop as well. This hoodie is very plain and simple, nothing like special to it. The texture inside is a little bit rough. It has that dry texture. You can't breathe. Has a big hood. It is supposed to be cropped, but because I have such a small torso, it's like perfect length for me. I decided to get this sweater crop top that came with this little tube top, right? Because you wear it underneath. And I was like, why? And then I realized this is not really a sweater. It's literally like a poncho. You put on your poncho and you appreciate that there's a tube top you wear with it, or else your boobs will just be out. This is pretty different. 3 little birds. Honestly, I feel like a dancer when I'm wearing this because I feel like, oh my god, like I just wanna, you know, like you could just flap around. Andra. I mean, it's kind of cute. Where did I see myself wearing this? Pretending to do BTS dance covers? Whoa, that was so weird. I'm so sorry. Before I show you the next piece, I'm not gonna try it. And I'm kind of pondering over the question of why. Why did I get it? Here's a dress. Or is this a shirt? It's just not gonna fit up here. I mean, I like the idea that it's kind of scrunched up so you can kind of hide the rolls, you know? Is this really supposed to be a dress? I'm not even gonna bother. But yeah, here's the dress. Look at this. So this is a hoodie infused with a skirt all in one. This is so cute. This piece makes you look like you're wearing a sweater and a skirt underneath when it's just really one big blanket. Okay, let me demonstrate. Okay, please don't mind. I'm not in my best shape. I've been gaining weight and just feeling really not confident in myself, so please don't say anything about my belly. Okay, thanks. But yeah, basically this is like a long skirt. You're supposed to pull and scrunch this up. I'm gonna cover up a little bit, so don't mind me. But then make it look like you're wearing a skirt with the sweater. See? The color is gorgeous. I own nothing in this color, I don't think. Nope. I want to make sure you guys know though that a lot of lip hop items are good quality, but there are certain items that are not the best quality. It's kind of like flimsy or just kind of like cheap, but for the most part, lip hop does have really like thick, heavy quality fabric. Honestly, it's a hit or a miss. I just want to put that out there in case you decide that you want to buy some of these things. Most of their sweatsuits and sets are really good quality, so that's why I do recommend sets from lip hop. Like, that's my favorite. But sometimes with like tanks or just a crop shirt, it's not the best quality. It can be a little bit flimsy, so hit or miss, your call. Next outfit. Why does this shirt look so tiny on me? It's because it is. I feel like I'm wearing a baby's shirt. So this is a set. I have the t-shirt up here that's a little too small for me, I feel like. I mean, look at the sleeve. And then it came with these sweatpants, which I love. They're ribbed. Oh my gosh, this whole thing's ribbed. Freaking amazing. It's a little tight around the armpit area, but regardless of that, this outfit's super casual, loungewear, cute. I feel like I can go on a walk with this with my non-existent dog. So the sweatpants has a different texture. It's more of a loose, thin fabric. Let me just take it off. You know what I mean? You see? You see? Am I right? Whatever, I'm not complaining because it's comfortable. It also cinches at the waist with this very thick waistband. Everything you want to see in the sweatpants. This is a flannel that I got a while ago from Lip Hop. I forgot to mention it in my previous Lip Hop haul, so I just want to bring it up in this haul. Look how pretty the pattern is. This flannel almost has like a hazy blended look to it because of the way the colors are. It's super big and baggy. It goes down all the way to my knees. But because of the pattern and how tricky the colors are, I wouldn't throw it over anything. Like this gray even kind of clashes. I mean, it works. For me personally, with something like this, I think I'd wear like a black or white tube top or like a spaghetti strap tank top. I mean, this kind of works too, doesn't it? Just don't do this. I mean, there's so many ways you can wear flannels, but keep in mind this is not just a flannel. It's more like a sweater flannel. You can tell it has like a thicker fabric. It's a lot softer. I can wear this fishing with my bubba. My outdoorsy sweater. If you follow me on Instagram, you're probably gonna know these next few pieces already. This is such a nice quality for a windbreaker. It's super long, it goes down to like mid-thigh for me, so I kind of did a video on how I style it. If you want to see, it's on my Instagram. This is just a Lip Hop windbreaker. My favorite thing about this jacket are the colors. The combo is very retro with that thrown off white and just a normal purple. Most of you have seen this already as well. This is just my pink lip pop Barbie sweater. I feel like not every girl's gonna like this, especially if you're not really into pinks. This is a lot more like downplayed hot pink. It is quite long on me, so I prefer wearing it like open with an outfit underneath, obviously like shorts or something, and like white sneakers or something like that. Just something so casual and nice. I'm filming. All these jackets were sent from Charles, so thank you very much, Charles. But this is the next jacket. It's this mustard yellow leather jacket, and I love the quality of this. It's so soft. It's not real leather, so let's just calm down. I like how this jacket looks super sturdy without it looking and feeling stiff. It is a crop leather jacket, so that's really nice for my waist. You know, she doesn't have a torso. Somebody come get her. There's obviously a zipper you can zip up, and there's also this belt that you can tighten around. I know I look like this, I get it. So I don't really match leather jackets, nor do I know how to style them that much. But regardless, I love this color. It's very bold and confident, so talk to my lawyer. So this is a bag that was also sent from Charles, and I love the blue and yellow on it, although I am a Michigan State fan, so go green, go white. Our rivals are Michigan, blue and yellow, but I will say the color combo is very cute because the blue is more of this like periwinkle tone almost. Pretty big and sturdy. Literally the quality is crazy. This is another bag that Charles sent me, and I love the orange. Look at it. It's the snake skin with this orange lip hop print, which is gorgeous. Orange. Beautiful. Then you have the black and gold chain, which complements the snake skin so very much. I like how it's a backpack, so you can wear it like that, but I do like wearing this to one side like you would a purse. So that's a different way to wear it. Okay, I bought these bags from the first haul, and I totally forgot to mention it as well. I really like the texture and the color of this. I don't own anything like red brown, and I thought this would look so sophisticated when I wanted to look like a business lady, and like I'm like serious about things. It comes with a strap, of course. It has the gold chain and that leather red brown again. Look at the detailing on the sides with the buttons, studs. Then I thought it'd be fun to get something red like this to pair with outfits that are a little bit more muted and you want a bold accessory. This can work as a normal bag or a fanny pack, just depends on you. It has that leather strap with a silver chain. You can strap it however you want from the back or on the sides. This is a pretty red, isn't it? And then I got this bag. So this is extremely small. I have very small hands. You can compare and see how tiny it is. This is ideally when I go out, when I can go out, if we ever get to go out again, and I just want to carry my ID, my card, and maybe a little bit of cash, and just like toss it in here, close it up. And with this big ass chain, you're not gonna forget. A cute little ID bag. I really like lip pop shoes, except I do find that their sizes are a little tinier than normal. At least for me, because I have wider feet. All their booties are catered for slimmer, pointed toe people. These are quite comfortable actually. They're beige booties with the black outline. Anyway, very simple, zips up right here. Classy, and paired up with almost anything because they're like nudie beige. You get my point. The next booties are basically the same thing but in brown. I didn't even realize that. Again, it has that black rim around the heel. It's this very nice, sleek, dark brick brown. On days that you want to dress up your outfit, girl. Oh my god, I'm getting butterflies. Now for the last item of this whole haul, these booties. They're so cute. Love the texture, is this velvet texture. They kind of look like sock boots. And I do love the mini heel right here. It's a little intimidating, especially walking with such a small heel. The emerald green with that gold, come on, you cannot say no. Also, pointed shoes make you look taller. I don't have booties like this, so that's why I went for it. And also just the color won me over. Come on, open your heart. And that is it for this $1,000 plus haul from Lip Hop again for my big boobie girlies, or just for anyone. The most frequent question I've been getting is, what kind of bra do I wear? So if you want me to do a whole video on the kind of bras I wear, which I'm not a professional, I don't even know yet. A lot of the times it's still very error and trial. So make sure to like this video if you want to see that. I guess that's it. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.